to say hi to my YouTube channel again. I'm trying to record on a beautiful sunny day on the 22nd in the state of Rhode Island, and it is like 80 something degrees out. Viewing this Monroe Shock because it's brand new. My bad. And I'm working on this side right now, and yeah, I got that what's it called, jack stand with the Die Hard 2,500 pounds. I think no, it's 3,000 pounds. 3,000 pounds. And, trying to do this for my first time, and it's feeling pretty good. But like I said, I need a cameraman. I don't have a cameraman. I don't have a better camera. I don't have one of those Best Buy cameras to start recording and make better videos for my YouTube channel. But yeah, that's going. Guess I'm just gonna record all the way through. Do pauses or whatever. Everybody knows how these repairs go for the 2011 Fit, the rear shocks. It's always good to have that extra support, same as what the other channels have been saying. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pause this video and then end it as soon as I get this built out. It is coming out. Good. It's taking forever, but it's coming on. Focus over here. Forever. These shocks are pretty time consuming with these bolts. That is very difficult to do with one hand. And this is the part that I was talking about. I wish I could shut up now. Maybe I might not have to pause it. I'm gonna try to prop this so I get a good view on it. so I had to get some gloves. I think this is, let's see what's in here. Vertical more. I think I know why though. I think that to remove this bolt, you also have to prop this up, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. It's the issue I was having at the beginning. This is there, just moving it for no reason. Tools needed would be these. I think this is 3/8, 14 millimeter. Got the bolt out, 14 millimeter. Connect this to my impact. That's gonna be pretty difficult. I'm not sure. There's that seal go through there. If I'm not mistaken. I have to prop that up a little bit, and that's about it. Have to get the hardware real quick. That is half fleet put on there. I'm not sure if the viewers can see that. I'm trying to put it in front of the camera. Actually, this part comes off. This part goes up top. YouTube. Yeah, that's pretty difficult. Yeah, that is, I'd rate that at like a 3-star difficulty. Oh, that is pretty heavy to get on, like, to even mess around with. Never mind. You just have to make sure it's nice and went through. Yeah, I'm not sure if the camera was able to get that, but I'm pretty sure it did. And I'm just gonna use this pipe to tighten it, to like over tighten it. I'm not sure what's the torque pounds on this, but that should be enough. And I'm just gonna do the last part, just to finish tightening this part. Not rocket science. Very good.